Hello and welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's hair growth recipe features three powerful ingredients. The first is black cumin seeds or black seeds to help strengthen the roots of the hair and to improve the overall health of the hair. Next is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are particularly rich in iron and protein, which are very essential nutrients for healthy hair. Measure an equal quantity of these powerful seeds and use your dry mill to grind them. To the seeds, add rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves, amongst other things, promotes hair growth and also helps to keep the nerves healthy. I added 2 tablespoons of dry rosemary leaves. After grinding, you can store this in a clean, airtight container and use it whenever and however you choose to. I'll be sharing 3 ways you can use this to achieve maximum hair growth. The first way is to make an oil out of this. Depending on how potent you want your oil to be, you can measure any quantity, then add your carrier oil. I measured 2 tablespoons and I added olive oil. You can also use coconut oil or your favorite or available oil. Mix well and leave this to infuse properly for up to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can use this oil as an overnight oil treatment. You can use it to massage your scalp and you can also use it to seal moisture. The second way to maximize the usage of this powerful powder is to make a leave-in spray out of it. I measured 2 tablespoons of the powder and I added about a cup of hot water to it. Leave that for an hour, then strain out the water and transfer it into a spray bottle. If it pleases you to add an essential oil, then go ahead and do just that. Just to be extra careful and avoid adding particles to my hair that could cause dandruff, I like to make use of cotton fiber to further filter my leave-in sprays. For the third way, I made use of what was left from making the spray. You could choose to go with fresh powder, okay? I simply transferred it into my blender and added bananas to it. You can use 1 or 2 bananas depending on how much hair you have on your head. I made use of 2 bananas and I added flaxseed gel to it. You can make use of flaxseed gel, okra gel, or aloe vera gel. Blend everything together. After blending, sieve and add an oil. Then you can use this as a hair mask. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.